Welcome to Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms. Today's job ID is 33250. The job location is in Lakewood, New York. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: business requirement documentation liaison with other teams, coordination with offshore teams, client-facing, fit gap solutioning, design, milestone testing, cutover, conversations, go live and production support. Able to visualize the dependencies and identify risks. Be able to identify the migration actions. Should have excellent understanding on SDLC process. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 6 years. For the detailed job description, please follow the link in the description of the video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms.